Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start chapter number 10, Protection of Women. Topic is Gender Sensitization and its Awareness. Objectives. After the study of this chapter, students will be able to define gender, get a sense and awareness of gender, learn about social activities on the basis of gender, and learn about the status of men and women in Islam. Gender refers to member of the sex, men and women. At the age of 2 or 3 years, a child gets awareness about his gender. Gender sensitization presides over gender sensitivity, that modification of behavior by raising of gender equality. Definition of gender. Gender refers to the socially constructed roles, behavior, activities and attributes that a society considers appropriate for men and women. Societal norms dictate men and women. Societal norms dictate what a man and a woman can or cannot do, and to which resources they can get access to. Different societies approved different level of activities for men and women. In some societies, the social bonds between men and women are stronger. They have to access to equal opportunities in education, healthcare, employment and other departments. However, in other societies, these opportunities are not available on the equal level. Men and women are equally capable of doing tasks such as cooking, cleaning, driving, etc. Society allocates the activities, aims and social duties between the men and women. Social development of gender. Social development of gender refers to the process by means of which men and women learn to play their specific roles. For example, a boy plays with hockey, bats. A girl is usually given a doll. Boys adopt outdoor activities and girls do housekeeping activities. The important thing is that both should be given equal opportunities. There should not be discrimination. Institutions for social development of gender. The parents, home, colony, schools, workplace, political and religious institutes serve as the institution for social development. Activities on the basis of gender. Number 1, economic activities. Economic activities include the product of goods and services, sale and purchase, agriculture sector, industries. These activities are source of income. Society has made men responsible for these activities. It is important to understand that women also play an equal productive role in economic activities. Number 2, political activities. Ladies are also playing an important role along with men in decision making. Number 3, social and cultural activities. Both men and women take part in different social and cultural activities. For example, attending social events like get-together and weddings, visiting patients, offering condolence, helping others, etc. Promotion of gender development. If we analyze, then we realize that in many departments there exists an imbalance in progress on the basis of gender. Mostly women have no access to high-ranking managerial positions. Women playing an important role in every field of life. They are teachers, pilot, engineer, nurses, as well as they are providing political leadership. Some prominent Pakistani women are Fatma Jinnah, who took active part in the Pakistan movement, Arfa Karim, Microsoft certified professional, Shehnaz Laghari, first Pakistani hijabi female pilot. These ladies are role model for every Pakistani. Islam and gender. A family is the foundation of society. Family is based on relationship between husband and wife. Man has authority to decide who he wants to marry. However, in case of women, many restrictions to marry according to their own choice. According to Holy Quran, nikah is an agreement between two adults. In the light of teaching of Islam, it is duty of parents to marry their children according to their choice and will. Khula and divorce. Even though khula and divorce are not encouraged in Islam, a man is given to right divorce his wife. Similarly, a woman has been given right to obtain khula. Students, we read gender sensitization. It varies society to society. Our society is man-dominated society. Gender-based discrimination is present in our society. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.